You might be struggling making ends meet on your 9 to 5 job, or maybe you don't feel appreciated. And now for the work that you do if you're hoping to look for a new opportunity or a change in your life. Keep watching this video. We're going to show you 10 websites that will help make you extra money. And hopefully one of them will pique your interest. You might be familiar with some of them, and maybe they'll let you use your favorite skills or hobbies and turn it into a living. Don't worry, they won't consume a lot of your time. So let's dive right into it. You've arrived at the right place. In this video, we'll teach you some tips and tricks for making money online. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the notification bell. As a result, you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Please share this video and leave a comment below. So let's start with the first on our list. Number 1, ejury.com. It's basically like jury duty, but in an online forum setting. If you aren't familiar with jury duty at all, it's where a citizen has to participate as a juror on an assigned case at court. But in a jury, you'll get assigned a case and get notified via email. You'll be participating in an only focus group where the attorney will present facts about the case. You'll then have to review the facts and answer some questions along the way. Before submitting a verdict online, you will be paid just for doing this. If you go to the main page here, you can sign up to be an e-juror. There are qualifications you have to meet in order to become a juror. You must be at least 18 years of age, a U.S. citizen, have sound mind and good moral character, able to read and write, and never been convicted of a felony. They also added that you cannot be an active practicing attorney nor be associated with an attorney or law firm due to confidentiality. You can check out more information in their frequently asked questions page. Only jurors can get paid between $5 to $10. Depending on the length of the case, they'll pay you via PayPal, which is a free online payment system. You can look at the sample case below to take a look. The payment of each case is shown on the top of the page so that you'll know how much each case is worth. When to sign a case, you just have to read over the facts and perspectives from different parties, followed by the jury's questions, some of which you'll have to answer on your own. There will be some critical thinking questions, as well as those where you can share your own opinions about the case. So you really have to pay attention and understand what the case is about. You can do this once a week, which should take you 30 minutes to an hour. Definitely check out this site if you're highly interested. Number 2, Shutterstock. If you're familiar with stock photos, this website is one of them. People come here to submit images or videos for customers to use. Customers would have to sign up for a subscription in order to gain the privilege of using the stock photos there. But besides that, you can get paid for every time someone downloads your image or video that you've uploaded. You can sign up to be a contributor by clicking on cellular content at the bottom of the main website or type of submit the shutterstock.com. It shows you an overview of what you'll do as a contributor. He can not only earn money from people downloading our photos and videos, but also from referring to new contributors or customers. The sign-up process is easy. You just input your full name, email, and password to get started. If you are aspiring to be a photographer or really good at editing photos and/or videos, this website's for you. Number 3, Inbox. This is a website that will pay you to watch videos online in exchange for money. Big companies and brands want consumers like us to watch short videos or advertisement of their contents, such as movie trailers, products, or even advertisements. You'll be paid in Inbox. Inbox will also share a portion of their profits they earn from companies with you once you finish watching those videos. It's good to make extra cash in your spare time. To get a sign-up bonus of $5 for a new account, you just fill out your email and password to get started right away. When getting paid, you can transfer your earnings to PayPal or exchange for gift cards. Number 4, Fetch Rewards. With Fetch Rewards, you can exchange receipts from various retailers or restaurants for incentives or gift cards. You can download this as a mobile app available in both the iOS and Google Play Store. This is useful if you'd like to earn some cash bags from a dirty grocery shopping or just want to save some extra money for your next shopping trip. This is what you'll want to use to simply take a picture of your receipt using the app, and it will be scanned for details before giving you the green light that your receipt is accounted for. You can find more information about the Fetch Rewards app on their official websites, fetchrewards.com. Check out their blog page and you'll find different resources about the company, testimonials from customers who have been using the app, and much more. Number 5, tutor.com. Tutor.com will allow you to work as an online tutor and help teach students from the convenience of your own home. This can work as your part-time job. If you happen to be good in any kind of subject, you can definitely make use of it by teaching it to other students online. He can sign up for a free account there, but to apply to be a tutor, he go to the top right corner, will see Become a Tutor. He gets to see a video and other lists of what subjects are available to teach onto websites. You don't necessarily mean any professional experience or teaching background, but there will be a subject test to prove how knowledgeable you are. If you're able to pass that test, you'll then move forward with the interview and the rest of the process to become an official tutor on the platform. Number 6, Fiverr. If you have heard of Fiverr before or happens, it's a freelancing platform. This is probably one of the best platforms for many freelancers out there on the internet. This is where customers request different people to do various services for them. You can be an artist, writer, designer, or video editor and offer to do commissions for your clients. We can also offer services like homework, research, and even make music. You just have to sign up to be a seller here on Fiverr. After that, you'll have to list a gig in order for people to see you. You can lease more than one. It's also up to you how you want to set your prices for your gig. And you'll even gain reputation on the platform if you get consistent customers and good reviews. This is one way of starting out your own online freelance career. So do check out Fiverr if this fits your interests. Number 7, voices.com. If you have a knack for doing voiceover, this website could be the one for you. They stated to be the number 1 marketplace for voiceover and audio production. People will come here to hire some professional voiceover actors, audio producers, or even musicians for their projects. The good thing about this platform is that you do not need to have any experience in order to apply. The way it works here is you just simply upload some samples of your work. Then you can reply to jobs that are looking for voice work so that they can hire you. They can also choose to set your own prices. There are many kinds of voice work you can do, like whether it's for business or education. And if you're also good at editing sounds, there are services here like audio mixing, podcasts, and many more. You can also get paid to do translations. Feel free to check it out there for more info. Number 8, userdisting.com. Unlike survey websites, this platform is where companies pay you to test out their websites or products and provide feedback to them. When you sign up here, you will be required to take a practice test along with some screening questions for the algorithm to match you with companies that may best fit your interest. Payment varies between different kinds of tests. Like for every 5-minute test, you'll earn $4.20 minute S for $10 and live interviews for around $30 to $120. There are also tasks where you might have to provide voice or video feedback for the company and demonstrate how the product works for you. Number 9, Amazon. Other than being a popular online shopping site, some people may not be aware that you can trade some items for Amazon and be compensated with cash rewards. This is known as the Amazon Trade-in Program. You will, of course, receive Amazon gift cards in exchange for trading in some eligible items, including Amazon devices, cell phones, video games, and even more. Let's say you have an old tablet you don't want anymore. In order to trade in, you would have to answer some questions about the tablet's condition in order to receive a coat. Non-working devices are also eligible for trade. So once you're qualified to trade it, they give you a shipping label to print out and send your item for free. In return, you could get a discount for a new purchase of the tablets and a gift card equal to the appraisal value for old tablets. Rewards also vary depending on the items you want to trade with Amazon, but receiving money via gift card is not a bad deal. At least you'll get extra money for some essentials you might need online. Don't hesitate to check this program out. And finally, number 10, Etsy. It is an e-commerce platform mostly filled with small businesses that sell cast artworks and even handmade designs. Ever since the pandemic, people have been opening up their small businesses to gain extra income on the side. This is one of the best platforms to promote your own small business. You can simply make designs you want to sell and have another company print it out and ship it to your customers. To sign up for Etsy, you just need to simply fill out your email address, name, and password to get started. Let's see is more suitable for you if you have craft or vintage items to sell. But with drop shipping, they can easily have someone else handle the shipping for you. However, Etsy charges about 20% of fees when you use their services. You can check out more information about selling your products there at Etsy.com, and there you have it, 10 best websites that will undoubtedly help you work from home and make extra money. We hope this video has helped you in any way in being able to make money online. If you have any experience with this platform, as you mentioned, feel free to share your experiences about it down in the comments section below. We wish you the best of luck. That concludes today's video. If you learned something from this video, as always, please leave any concerns or questions in the comment section below. Thank you for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next video.